Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix this error. When we click on start recording button, an error message appear could not start recording because the output folder is inaccessible. How to resolve this problem? Let's start the video. Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Click on setting here and click on preferences option. A new window will appear. Now select the file option here. Now we can see here the all path of audio, video and screen recording. Now we need to change these paths because these paths are inaccessible. Now change these paths one by one and change these paths with the existing path, like we select download option here and select this folder. Now we will change the project path here where our project will save. You can select any location. I will select download path here. After that, we will change the remaining path respectively and select the download folder here. And after select the download folder, we click on OK button. And now we need to change the store temporary optimization file path here. Select this and change with download path here. Now again click OK button. These simple steps you can follow to resolve your problem. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.